Sugoi! After shut up!
Not panicking.
Hindi, dapat yung hita mo ito. Oh, yan, mukha ka.
Grabe siya, naman nyo.
Pogi! Bitch, I love you! Oh my lord! The top, their trunks, oh my...
Oh no. Damn! Is it worth it?
Give a shit about Brina! And then I'm kidding. Oh, it's so good. No, I'm being a fucking Jason. I don't know who you are, I'm so sorry.
Okay. How is our princess doing? Surviving.
No peeping!
No. Okay. What hike? Okay, we started the hike at like 8 p.m. We got out para mga 12
Lockdown.
or 11 a.m.
11:30, 11. 3 hours from 8.
Right.
Because we were already in, we ended.
Yeah, we're at the falls. Yeah, we're at the falls at 12 now.
Before 12 actually. Saktong
Yeah.
12, we were hiking back.
So we did like a 1 to 2 hour hike and exactly 1.5 hours back and forth. Uy, bakit ang tahimik mo? Say something.
Because I was trying to overtake her and not kill people like that. Sorry. But okay, yes, we hiked. Apparently we were pretty fast for what we're doing. Some people asked if we were pros. Whoa, ego boost. Oh my lord, wow. Wow, sugoi. Wow. Yeah, ayun, lumaki po ng dalawa. Oh my god, I can hike this. I'm gonna bring my girlfriend. I'm gonna go back. Like this shit again, you know? Woo! So, you know, I think it was a pretty good experience overall.
Yeah.
You know, yeah. Yun, that was it. Again.
There's some?
Those two mountains, we're gonna go up 2 mountains, diba? 1 hour in between both of them. I'm gonna fucking time that shit. Okay? No, I'm kidding.
We're gonna beat you. We're already preparing.
No, don't.
I have a friend with like a Samsung and like he opens it like that.
Okay. So whoever this friend may be, Leah's friend. Man, get a fucking tablet, man. Like, goodness gracious. Like, magbabasa ka ba gago? Like,